Hello, my dear students. In my previous video, I have discussed about kinds of adjectives. Okay, today in this video, we'll discuss about order of adjectives. So let's see these examples. Mosumi bought 2 pencils. Next, Mosumi bought 2 red pencils. Next, Mosumi bought 2 red wooden pencils. Now see here, in first sentence Mosumi bought 2 pencils. Here only one adjective, what, that is 2. Next, Mosumi bought 2 red pencils. Here adjective is what, 2 and red. In number 3, Mosumi bought 2 red wooden pencils. Here two red wooden pencils. Here only one adjectives, here only two adjectives, and here 3 adjectives, and that adjectives describe the nouns what, pencils. Okay, here we are using one adjectives, here 2 adjectives, and here 3 adjectives to describe the noun pencils. Okay, now when we sometimes use more than one adjectives to describe a noun, not only one, more than one adjective to describe a noun. Now see the number 2 examples. Mosumi bought 2 red pencils. The number 2 examples was what? Mosumi bought 2 red pencils. That is correct sentence. Okay, if I write Mosumi bought red 2 pencils, this is what, incorrect sentence. Next, Mosumi bought 2 red wooden pencils. This is correct sentence. And Mosumi bought 2 wooden red pencils. This is incorrect. Now we are using, in second sentence we are using 2 adjectives to describe the noun, and in number 3 examples we are using 3 adjectives to describe the noun. Now listen. When more than one adjective is used to describe a noun in a sentence, we need to remember that there is a proper way of putting adjectives in a particular order. That means we cannot put the adjectives in our choice. Here is a what? A particular order is here, and according to this particular order we should have put the adjectives. Okay, now see which is the particular order of adjectives. Here is an acronym I am giving here, that is what, NOSASCOM. What? NOSASCOM. We have to remember this short form, NOSASCOM. If you remember this one, then you can put the adjectives easily. Okay, now see, NOSASCOM, NOSAS, NOSAS, COMP, com, NOSASCOM. Now N for what? Number, that is quantity. O for opinion, S for size, A for age, S for shape, C for color, O for origin, M for material, and P for purpose. Okay, you have to remember this acronym. Okay, now see, number, describe the number, that is what, N for number, describe the number, that is what, quantity of nouns, 1 2 3 50 70, etc. Opinion, describe your judgment or what you think about something. Your judgment or what you think about something, that is what, opinion. Okay, lovely, precious, beautiful, ugly, that is what, opinion. Size, describe how big or small something is, that is what, teeny, short, long, tall, etc. Okay, next, age, describe how old or young something is, young, old, new, etc. Shape, describe the shape of something, square, rectangle, triangular, circular, etc. Okay, now see here. Color, describe the color of something, red, blue, pink, yellow, etc. Okay, origin, describe where the noun is from. Indian, Spanish, American, Italian, okay, Chinese, that is what? Origin. Material. Describe what is the noun is made of. Wooden, plastic, leather, etc. Purpose. Describe where the noun is used for. Cooking, sleeping, sport, night, etc. Okay. Now, see this example. Now see example. Mosumi bought red wooden two pencils. This is incorrect sentence. Okay. Next, see which will be the correct. Mosumi bought two red wooden pencils. This is correct sentence. Why it is correct sentence? Because we are putting adjective to red wooden. We are putting according to the order. We are in first sentence. We are not putting the according to the order. Now see here. Two is what? Two is number. Red is what? Color. And wooden is what? Material. So according to the order, we place the adjectives. Okay. Next example. I am going to wear my purple silk new shirt for my cousin's wedding. This is incorrect. Okay. I am going to wear my new purple silk shirt for my cousin's wedding. This is correct sentence. Why? Because according to order, that is according to nosascom, according to order, we place the adjectives. Here new is what? Is, purple is color, and silk is material. Okay, but in first sentence we are not putting the adjectives according to order, so this first sentence is what? Incorrect. Next example. They have a 2-year-old black big ferocious dog. Incorrect sentence. They have a ferocious big 2-year-old black dog. This is correct. Now see here. A is what? Number. Ferocious, opinion. Big, size. 2-year-old, that is age. Black, color. And noun is what? That is dog, before noun. Okay. So according to this order, according to nosascom, we place the adjectives before the noun. Next example. Dola Sarkar bought 2 pink cotton news night dresses. This is incorrect. Next, see, Dola Sarkar bought 2 new pink cotton night dresses. This is correct. Now see, 2 is what? Number. New is age. Pink is color. Cotton is material. Night is purpose. So we place this before the nouns according to order. Okay. Next example. Topon Mohanto found a rectangular wooden small box in his office. This is incorrect sentence. Topon Mohanto found a small rectangular wooden box in his office. This is correct sentence. Okay. Now see here. A is number, small is size, rectangular shape, wooden material, and box is what? Noun. Before noun we are putting this adjective according to order. Okay, so this is correct. This one is what? Correct sentence. Next example, see here. My daughter accidentally broke my new pink ceramic beautiful jug. This is incorrect. My daughter accidentally broke my beautiful new pink ceramic jug. This is correct. Now see here. Beautiful is what? Opinion. New is age. Pink is color. Ceramic is material. Okay, and jug is what? Noun. Before noun we place this adjective according to order. So dear students, for you not to get confused, don't forget the acronym what? nosascom. If you remember this acronym, then you can place the adjectives correctly. Okay.